Hey everyone, this is Dwayne from Dwayne Ellis Digital Effects and Animation. I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on a script that I wrote. Well, it's actually a cut down version of the script that I wrote for my own needs, but it's called MatObjectRenamer. And essentially what it does is it selects an object, renames it, and then applies a material all in one swoop. So I cut down quite a bit, but I left two materials in there so you can actually see how it works. So there's two buttons, two materials, and you can change this to be whatever you want. You can put whatever code you want in there, or you can make a bunch more of your own materials, V-Ray or Mental Ray or whatever, and you can change the code down here to be whatever name you want, or take that right out so it doesn't rename your objects, but that's what I needed, so it's in there. So let's give it a go. Let's go to Tools, Evaluate, and first off you want to click the Generate Materials button, and that's just going to fill the material editor with the materials that you've designated, slot 1, slot 2, and then what happens is if you make a selection of objects, click the button, it'll change it to whatever that material is. And that's about it. One thing to note though is I've got it set to redraw the views every time the button is clicked. So if you have a ton of objects, you might want to just comment that out before you run it, because it gets really slow if it has to redraw the viewports every time. You'll see what I mean if I just go in there and select a bunch of different objects. You see it starts lagging, so I mean there's not that many in here, but the more you actually create and select, the slower it'll be. So that's it. You can find this in the software section of my site. Feel free to download it and change it up as you need, and if you use it in anything cool, let me know. Thanks.